Hey guys, welcome to our channel. One of my subscribers asked me to dig down on the niche of firefighters. So this is what we're gonna do today. If it's your first time, please consider like, comment and subscribe for any further videos. So when you want to enter a niche, the first thing you have to do is to check if there is demand, if there is any angry buyers in this niche. And by angry buyers, I mean a niche where we have a lot of sales, not only one that is selling, that got all the sale and all the other are non-profitable. So this is what we're gonna do for the firefighter niche. So I copy the firefighter, I go to Amazon. I paste it here. And the first thing I notice is that with this extension, which is called AMZ Suggestion Expander, I can see that we have a lot of keyword here, but I want to see only the merch product. So I'm gonna right click, Merch by Amazon by Productor, Research US, and only t-shirt. When on this page, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the hidden keyword here, Orca, because lately we noticed that we have sometimes Orca design in the listing like this one. So what you're gonna do is to go on the web address here and remove this part and hidden keywords equal Orca. You delete that and you type in enter. You will have a bit more than only the t-shirt, but the majority are gonna be t-shirt. So what do I do once I'm on this page? I'm gonna check here the BSR of the first 2 or 3 t-shirts. And I can see this one is below 500, below 500, below 500, above. If I go to the second line, below 500, below 500, below 500, above. And on the third line, below 500, below 500, above. So I can see that the majority here of the t-shirt that we have on the first 2 or 3 lines are below 500,000. Okay, so this is a good indication for a good selling niche. We just covered here the first point and the second. The third point is gonna be to check if what kind of design the customer are buying on this niche. And again, I go to Amazon and I check the design. I can see here it's a US flag, firefighter with US flag. So I'm gonna write that. US flag, the size. So firefighter, USA flag. Oops, flag. Like funny firefighter. Another funny here. Next one. Again with the USA flag. Assuming woman, firefighter woman. I want to copy that. Continue. Again with the USA flag, USA flag, US flag. So I see a lot of US flag on this first page. This is a good indication that when I create my design, I have to certainly include USA flag. So you do this exercise for the 3 or 4 pages just to see what is already selling in this niche. So just to save some time, I paused the video and I did a few research on the first three pages, and these are the kind of design that I saw that are selling. You can pause the video here and read what I was able to gather. The next step is gonna be to answer those three questions. Our three favorite questions: who is this design for? Why are they wearing it? And how are they going to find it? Since firefighter is a job, what I'm gonna do, I'll go again now back to Google, and I'm gonna type firefighter career list. And I can see here that we have a few careers in the firefighting niche. Okay, so our design is gonna be for anyone that is working as a firefighter. But even inside their profession, they have different level. You can see here wildland firefighter, firefighter engineer, airport firefighter, firefighter EMT, firefighter paramedic, all of this one. So instead of create only design for firefighter, why not creating a design for a firefighter paramedic? Understand what I mean? Let's go to Amazon and even check if we have designed, if there is some research, if people are looking for design or looking for gift for firefighter paramedic. So I type here firefighter and then paramedic, and the first we can see here is firefighter paramedic gift. So this is how you have to dig down in your niche. Don't stay only on the firefighter t-shirt. Go and find career path here. If I go firefighter paramedic t-shirt, what is the competition on this one? 266, guys. Okay, maybe a bit more if you go down to the third page, as you already know, but compared to firefighter t-shirt, if I type in like that, 3,000 results. So honestly, I prefer to fight against 266 people than 3,000. Okay, this is exactly what you have to do. So I copy my career here and I put it here as the answer to my question. So we're gonna design for firefighter this one, and I can even include this one in my listing, or I can create design for each individual group of firefighter. Okay, of course, always you check the competition, and if there is less than 500, now you can go for it. The next question, why are they going to wear it? Okay, you have to answer this question because this will help you in the listing. For example, if it's a design which is about USA flag and firefighter, I can write here because they are patriotic firefighter. Okay, patriotic firefighters that like to help people and so on. You write something that will really help you in your listing. The next question, how are they going to find it? To answer this question, we have to go to, again, Amazon and look for how people are looking for firefighter t-shirts on Amazon. So again, if I type in firefighter, you can see firefighter shirt, firefighter gift, and so on. What I can do here, what I'm gonna do here is type in firefighter t-shirt. Okay, and again, productor, this one, and as I already said, I'm gonna remove the n hidden keyword or cap. Then I'm gonna use the Chrome extension productor, which is here, that will grab a few keywords for me. What I'm gonna do on here, as you can see, we have page 1 because productor actually is looking for only item on the page 1. But what I'm gonna do is ask productor to look for 5 pages. Okay, productor will open 5 pages Productor will open 5 pages based on this firefighter t-shirt keyword that I just entered, and he's gonna look for bestseller rank, seller item, reviews, ads, and as well as keywords. So when Productor is doing his stuff, I can click on the more keyword here, and I'm gonna look now for the long tail keywords. All of them, of course, here, even on the focus keyword, individual keyword, unique word keywords are very important. But I'm gonna look for the long tail keyword. Okay, suggested by Amazon and this lab as well. Because this is what people are typing on Amazon to look for t-shirts. They are typing firefighter t-shirt for men, firefighter t-shirt for women, etc., etc. Okay, this is very important. You check on the Amazon as well as Google, because people are also finding t-shirts on Google. If they type firefighter t-shirt on Google, they may find their Amazon may show your listing on Google, and then people will buy it. So in this list of keywords, of course, you have to take only the relevant keyword that are related to your design, and grab them. This is what I'm gonna do, and I can mark it. When I'm done with Amazon, I go to the keyword tool dominator, I type in firefighter shirt, and again I export this list. So these are the keywords that I was able to extract from the list. And now it's time to check each one of them to see the competition. On Amazon. Okay, you have to enter the competition here, and the keyword that will have competition with less than 500 are the one you're gonna use in your description, in your title, in your brand, and in your description. Okay, if you want to see exactly how I did it, you can view the previous video where I explained it. So you go to Amazon, you type in firefighter shirt, and you see the competition 4,000 results. When I'm doing this research, I really like to stay only on the all department and not only look for only merch t-shirt, because people, when they are going to Amazon in order to buy, they are not looking always for merch by Amazon. They don't know certainly what is merch by Amazon. Okay, they type in firefighter shirt, and they are looking and they are checking what is available to buy it. Okay, they want to filter it to have only a merch by Amazon t-shirt. So this is the same exercise you have to do. So in this case here, our competition was 5,000. Okay, if I call here and 4 years old firefighter birthday t-shirt, I go again to Amazon. Now I can see 412. Okay, you type in, you copy and paste t-shirt 412. So the competition here is gonna be 412. So now you see the power of this. I will prefer to go to with this keyword with 512. I can see, and people are looking for a birthday t-shirt. I'm free with this stuff. So I will certainly not create a design for firefighters, but I'm gonna focus on firefighter birthday, 4 years old, 5 years old, and so on. You can see even 2 years old here, and they are selling. Okay, they are not selling every day. This one maybe 2 or 3 times a week. This one a bit more, but they are selling at the end, and this is the number game. Okay, this one really is selling much more. You can see 148 reviews. Okay, and 263 t-shirts like that. I would say once a day can sell easily. Okay, so this is exactly what you have to do when you are doing in your niche. If you as well, you want me to dig into a niche, or you want me to cover a subject, please write in the comments the subject you want me to cover, and I'll try to do it in future videos. Thank you very much for today. Please consider like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any further video. Have a nice day.